Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about all the sources from which we obtain information about ancient Indian history. So, sources of information are of two types, either they are written or literary, or they are archaeological findings and the materials which we obtain through archaeological excavations. Amongst the archaeological findings, first and foremost, we talk about inscriptions. Inscriptions are writings, paintings, drawings, which are all engraved on hard surfaces or on rocks and stones, as well as walls of monuments and buildings, or on metals, which depicts important occasions and events of the past, like the edicts of Ashoka of 3rd century BC, which was written in Brahmi language, which tells you a lot about Emperor Ashok and all the events that followed, like the Mahasthan inscription, which was excavated in West Bengal, and it is an inscription during the period of Chandragupta. It also tells you a lot about the Mauryan Empire and the famine which followed during the Emperor Ashoka. Then we also have the famous Garud pillar, which is an inscription on a temple of Vasudeva. The inscription is from 2 BC and it was established in Vidisha by Heliodorus. Heliodorus was a messenger sent by Yavana king Antiacidas. It is an octagonal pillar and it is installed praising Vasudeva. Coinage has also offered huge amounts of information about ancient Indian history. India has been one of the earliest issuers of coins. Coinage has played important role in shaping the financial development of the country. Various kinds of motifs, symbols, stamps, they have been used on the coins, which shows a lot about ancient rulers as well as kingdoms and reigns. The study of coins is called as numismatics, and various archaeologists and explorers and scientists have studied in detail various kinds of coins to find out more information about ancient history. Before the introduction of coins, there was a system of buying and selling of goods and services, of products, which was done through exchange, which was called as the barter system. In the barter system, there were many drawbacks because sometimes a product of low value was exchanged with a product of high value. In order to resolve the problems of the barter system, coins were made legal. The earliest known coins of India were the silver punched marked coins. They were circulated all over the Mahajanapads and the Janapads. Now, each coin had its unique mark or a shape or a design. These coins depicted ancient gods and goddesses, rulers, as well as important events like marriages, wars, etc. In North India, there were many coins which had inscriptions in Arabic as well as Persian language, which also depicted legends. In ancient times, various precious metals, valuable metals were used to make coins, like gold and silver. Later on, after the post independence period, mixed metals were started to be used as coins. So, these punched marks were used in coinages in the 7th and the 6th century BC. All these coins were made up of silver, and various images were punched over it, like sun, animals, trees, hills, etc. Ancient coins were divided into various types and categories, like the Taxila and Gandhar type, Kosala type, Avanti type, and Magadha type. Even in Indus Valley civilization, a lot of seals had been found or excavated. We are not sure whether these seals were used as coins or not in those times. In the Kushan Empire, the deities were portrayed on the coins like Shiva or Gautam Buddha or Kartiki, and these coins were made up of precious metals like gold. During the Satvahana dynasties, various other types of metals were started like copper, silver, lead, etc. And various kinds of motifs were engraved on it like elephants, lions, buffaloes, bulls, horses, etc. Coins during the Gupta period depicted rulers or kings on one side and deities or gods on the other side. They even depicted various important events of life like marriages or horse sacrifices, yajnas, wars, etc. I hope you have found this video useful. This is the first part of chapter 2 of History UPSC preparations. In the next part, I will talk about other types and sources of archaeological information like monuments. So, if you have liked the video, please press the like button as well as share if you feel that this video is informative. Thank you so much.